All right, so I'm going to show you how to get this file in here. So I'm just going to close it. Getting files in Photoshop is important. There are different ways you can do it. So I'm going to close that out so it doesn't exist. And I'm going to open it directly. I'm going to go in Photoshop. I'm going to go File, Open, and open it. Okay. The same thing works if I go to Finder, I right-click, and I go Open With, and I choose Photoshop. Okay. It'll bring that high-quality image. Now, quiet please. If I go with, if I take a look at the image size, okay, you can see the resolution of this picture, okay, and this is what I want. But I'm going to compare it to an image that I just, let's say I want to create a new layer, Shift-Command-N, and I create a layer where it is just dragged. Okay, so I go over here, I find this file, and I just click it, and I drag it, and I drop it. Okay, you see this X here, and you see there'll be a little symbol right there that means it's a smart object. Important difference for these. Okay, I'll show it in a minute. I'm going to go one more way. Okay, we're going to change the name of this layer to our drag layer. We're going to do this one more way. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to open this. I'm just going to double click and it'll open it in preview, okay? Which is, it looks good on screen, but it's a different setup, okay? Shift, I'm going to screenshot it. Shift, Command, 4. I'm going to get that. I can send that to my hard drive wherever, okay? But I can also right-click and say Copy Image. It's going to copy it at screen resolution, which is lower. But if I come over here, again make my new layer, name it Copy Paste. Okay. I'm going to get that image. Now these three look the same. Working with them, they look the same. That one looks like that. That one looks like that. That one looks like that. Okay, they aren't the same. This is the best one because it's the full resolution file, has the most detail if we zoom in. The big problem with the click and drag is it's instantly a smart object, which has to be handled very differently, has different capabilities and rules, and it is not something you can simply edit directly. So if I go to that layer and I close it, if I unlock this layer and I use a selection tool, let's just use the lasso, and I get a selection and I cut it out, Command X, it's cut out. I can paste it on a new layer, I can fill that in, I can do whatever I want to, okay? Now, if I turn this layer off and turn this layer on, this is the click and drag layer, which is a smart object. I do this, and I hit Command X. It does not cut. So if I wanted to paste what I just got, it's not there. I can't paste it on a new layer. I can't do anything with it. It's got different rules. So clicking and dragging is less effective. The copy-paste layer, if you zoom in, okay, on that layer, is going to be just a lower resolution. So the best way to do it is to open it into Photoshop, either from Finder or inside of Photoshop.